Good morning, all. So, today we are going to look into the topic shapes and spatial understanding. The video is divided into two parts. In the first part, the topics will be for the students of class 1, and the second part is for class 2. So, let's look into this. There are certain terms which you should be familiar with in order to study more about shapes and space. So let us look into this. The first term is inside and outside. Look at this picture. In the first picture, we can see a bee is inside the bottle. Bee is inside the bottle. The bottle is closed and the bee is inside. Look at the second picture. The bee is outside the bottle. Right? This is the bottle is opened and the bee is outside the bottle. Let us look into another one term, that is top and bottom. It's a park in the picture and there's a tree near the park, and at the top of the tree we can see a bird. So the bird is at the top of the tree, and at the bottom of the tree we can see a cat. So the cat is at the bottom of the tree. Also, if we look the children who are playing there, which child is at the top? Yes, this child is at the top and this child is at the bottom. Okay, look at the other picture. In this picture, we can see so many pots. Which is the pot that is at the top? Look at this, and which pot is at the top? Yes, this is the pot that is at the top, and this is the pot that is at the bottom. Look at this. Here we have to tick the animal at the bottom of the stairs. These are stairs, and which animal is at the bottom? This. Is this the animal that is at the bottom? No. So this is the animal at the bottom and we have ticked the right answer. Okay? Okay. So we can look into the next image, that is, the next terms are bigger and smaller. Which animal is bigger? Bigger animal is this one. And which is the smaller? Obviously, the puppy is the smaller. Look at the another image here. Which leaf is small? Yes, this leaf is small. And in this image, which animal is smaller? Yes, this animal is smaller. Okay, understand? Look at the difference between biggest and smallest. If we are telling bigger and smaller, there will be only two images. Here we can see a bigger leaf and a smaller leaf. Right? If we tell biggest and smallest, there will be more than two objects. Look at the first image. There are three trees and we have to tick the smallest tree among the. So, which is the smallest tree among these three? 1, 2, 3. This is the smallest, right? So we have to tick this one. And the next one is to tick the biggest animal. Which is the biggest animal? Biggest means there will be more than two images. Here one image, 2 and 3. Among these, which is the biggest animal? Yes, elephant is the biggest animal. So we will tick this one. Elephant is the biggest animal. Okay, you got the difference between biggest, smaller and biggest, smallest? Okay. Then, okay. Tick the tree nearest to the bird. Here is the bird. And which tree is nearest to the bird? This is the tree nearest to the bird. Got it? So, these are some terms that we should be familiar with. Now, we have to study about on, under, and above, below. Look at this big picture. This is a classroom, right? We can see a fan and so many children and 3 tables, so many bags, a book and a mouse. Right, we can see so many things in this picture. So, where is the fan? This is our fan, and where is the fan? We can tell that the fan is above the table. Here is our table, and the fan is above the table. Now, where is the child standing? This child, okay. Where is this child standing? The child is below the fan. The child is below the fan. And we can tell that child is on the table. Right, both are correct. The child is below the fan and on the table. Okay, okay, look at this cat. Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. Right, and here is one mouse. Where is this mouse? Mouse is under the table. Mouse is under the table. So, cat is on the table and mouse is under the table. Here, the fan is above the table and the child is below the fan. Understand? Okay. Now, I can see some shapes here. Match the shapes that are same. Okay? There are some shapes on the left side as well as on the right side. So, the shapes are shuffled. So, we have to match the correct one. The same shapes, right? So, which shape is this? The first one is a circle. Where is the circle in the right side? This is a circle, right? So we will match this circle to this one. And here we have a four-sided parallelogram, four-sided figure. It's a quadrilateral. And we can tell this is a parallelogram. Tell after me, parallelogram. Okay, what is the parallelogram in the right side? Here, right? So we will match this one. Oh no. Okay, so this is parallelogram. The next one is a triangle. Where is the triangle in the right side? This is a triangle, right? Three sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here also 1, 2, and 3. So we will match this. And the next one is a rectangle. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we can count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. The next one is a half circle. We'll call this as a semicircle. What is the semicircle? One side is flat and the other one is curved. Which image on the right side is a semicircle? Yes, this one. So we will match this together. Okay, we will match the semicircles together. The last one has how many sides? Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is a pentagon. Okay, match these. So we studied, we identified the same shapes. Okay. Next we are going to study about rolling and sliding. What are these? Rolling and sliding. Okay. In the first picture we can see a ball. This is a ball, right? And the ball is rolling over the surface. It's rolling, right? And the second picture, we can see a cube or a box sliding over the surface. It is sliding. So, objects with curved surface or round surface will roll and objects with flat surface will slide. Here we have an activity. Look at this. There are 4 objects here. 4 objects, right? Of these, we have to tick the objects that will roll. So, this is a pencil. Okay, take a pencil and try to roll it over the table. It will roll, right? So, we can take this. This is an object that will roll. And this is a ball. How do we play with a ball? By rolling it, right? So, this is also an object that will roll. And the third image is a butter, right? It's a butter packet. Try to roll it. Try to roll some packets. Will it roll? No, it will only slide because butter packet has a flat side, not a curved side. So the butter packet will slide. It will not roll. The next one is an onion. Onion will also roll as it has a curved surface or circular shape. It's in a circular shape, so it will roll. Got it? Okay. In the next picture, we have to tick the objects that will slide. The first one is a cucumber and it has a curved surface or it's a circular shape. It's in a circular shape. So it will not slide. It will roll only, right? And the second one is a tomato. Tomato also will roll as it has a circular shape. The third one is a suitcase or a box. We can take it as a box. The box is an object that will slide, right? Okay. Now we can try an activity. Take your pencil box or some other boxes and try to roll it on the table. It will not roll, right? Try to slide it. It will slide because it has a flat shape. It's a flat side, right? So it will slide. And here is a battery. It has a circular shape and it will not slide but it will roll. So we can summarize as the objects with circular shape will roll and the objects with a flat shape will slide.